Good morning, everybody. My name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, and today we're going to be pulling sales from the weekend. It is Monday, and it was after a really busy weekend. I went to a concert and just didn't list all weekend, but I ran a sale, and we had some good sales. I have 19 things to ship from eBay, and I think 2 on Poshmark, so Poshmark was super slow. I normally send out like 30% offers on Friday, and then a closet clear out message on Sunday. I didn't do either of those because I was super busy, so that is probably why my sales are bleh on Poshmark, but eBay picked it up for me, and that is why I cross-list. So anyway, let's get started. Here are a pair of Miss Me skinny jeans in a size 28. They're not very blingy, so they only sold for $15 plus shipping, but I think I only paid a few dollars for these and glad to get them out. I have these Steve Madden flats. They did have some wear on the leather, but the bottoms are super clean. They sold for $10 plus shipping. In about a day, I just took the very first offer because I did get them for free, and the buyer's about $17 all in. I also just listed this Nike Golf pullover top for women. I think it's like a tank top. I did also get this for free, and it sold for $12 plus shipping, so the buyer is like $18 all in. Yeah, $18 all in. Nice sale, nice fast sale. This is so random, but a Barbie Dream House toilet sold for $6 plus shipping. So the buyer is around $12 all in. This was on like a 40% off sale because I've had it for a while, and she sold, and I'm pretty happy about it. Getting another one of these things that are on my shelf off my shelf. This little tiny creepy baby, I think I found it inside of a boot that I had bought. I don't know. I listed it for, I think like $8 or something. I don't remember what I listed it for, but it was on 40% off sale, and then somebody offered me like $1 plus $5 shipping. So I took it because it was free, and I'd like to get this creepy thing out of my hair. This Build-A-Bear monkey was also on sale, and it sold for $5 plus $8 shipping. So the buyer's like, what, $13 all in? I am happy this got out of here, and it's always a good day when a plush sells that you've been holding on to for a while. I have these Madewell like Emmett crop wide leg jeans in a size 27. These were a sample that I had gotten from a ThredUp rescue box. They've been listed since like last November. It's been a long time, but they finally sold for $21 plus shipping. So the buyer is around $30 all in. These Express paper bag waist dress pants in like a size 6 or an 8, I can't remember. They sold for $15 plus shipping. So the buyer is like $21 or $2 all in. Pretty happy with that. I want to get a pair of these for myself because they are super trendy right now, and they really were only listed for a couple of weeks, so pretty fast sale. I just listed this Under Armour golf skirt. And I think it's in a size medium. It got a $7 offer plus $6 shipping, and I went ahead and took it, so the buyer is $13 all in, and that is all profit because I got it for free. This Free People plaid top sold for $15 plus shipping. I think I paid around $10 for it a long time ago, and glad to be getting it out of here for just in time for fall. This took me forever to find. I don't know why I didn't have a SKU on this, but this is a Wild Bird. It's a little small shop trendy brand. This is like a 100% linen baby carrier, and you like loop it through, you wrap your baby in it. I don't know. I didn't have anything like this, but it's super cute. It sold for $40 plus shipping, so the buyer is around $50 all in. These retail for like $75, so I'm really happy with that resale value. This French Connection little mini dress sold for $9 plus shipping. Again, this is a Style Encore 90% off sale find. French Connection, even though it is expensive, does not sell very well, so happy to get it out. It is a size 12. This is a Victoria's Secret pink little bling sweatshirt. It does have embroidery on it. People have this listed super high. I'm not really wanting to wait it out. Plus, this did have some pilling. So I sold it for $18 plus shipping. So the buyer is like, I don't know, $26 or something all in, and happy to get it out. This was free. This pair of Miss Me like mauve pink shorts sold for $18 plus shipping. They did have a little bit of like, I don't know, I think it's like part of the wash, but it did look like it had some staining on the back, but like it didn't. Like it was kind of like an irregularity in the wash kind of, but I noted that, and they still sold in a few days. I just listed these last week for $18 plus shipping, and I did get these for free. I really want to love Keens, I really do, but these sold for $13 plus shipping, so the buyer's like $21 or $22 all in. They're in like perfect condition. These retail for so much. I wish I could sell them for more, but I really just can't. They don't sell for me. I have had these Grand Slam golf shorts forever. I think they're like a size 34 or 36. They sold for a whole $2 plus shipping, and yeah, I've had them for like a year and a half now. I just wanted them out, so when that offer came in, I accepted it because they were free. This Weeble Wobble truck, I think I paid $6 for this, $5 or $6. It sold for $35 plus shipping, so the buyer's about $50 all in. It is in beautiful condition. I could not let my kids play with this because I knew they would like tear it up really bad. They break things a lot, but this is so cute. I absolutely love it and happy it is moving on to a new home. These are a pair of Joe's jeans shorts that I have had forever, absolutely forever. I can't remember what size they are. They're super cute. They sold for $9 plus shipping, so the buyer's like $14 or $15 all in. I got these at the Style Encore 90% off sale, and I think all of those purchases are just cursed because they don't sell. But lesson learned, don't do that anymore. Don't go hog wild at the 90% off sale because they didn't sell for a reason. So great to shop for yourself though. I love the 90% off sale for myself, but as far as resale, that has proven to be not the best sourcing method. This is a Spence blazer. It's pretty old school. It sold for $5 plus shipping. Again, this is a consignment client's item, so I make like probably $1.50 after fees and everything. But I am happy to move it. I am trying to get all of that stuff out of here. I've had these Abeo shoes listed since like last November. It's taken a long time. I think I had them listed for 50 bucks. I am going to start going through my eBay store and like really price dropping things that have been there periodically, like maybe every month start price dropping so I can get things moving more quickly like a normal business would. But anyway, these got a $40 offer on Poshmark and I took that so fast because I didn't think these were ever going to sell. And my other pair of the Goldie jeans that were in my death pile that I listed maybe a month ago sold for $64 on Poshmark. So very happy with that sale. And those are my only 2 Poshmark sales for the weekend. So let's get a packing. Anyway, this is going to be a short video for a Monday, but just wanted to pull my sales with you guys and show you what is selling currently and for what prices that they are selling for. Anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!